Barbell squats are a highly effective compound exercise that can provide numerous benefits when incorporated into your daily workout routine. In this video, we explore the potential impact of incorporating barbell squats into your workouts. Here are some key target points to consider when performing barbell squats daily. Number 1. Muscle engagement. Barbell squats engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously, including quadriceps, hamstrings, glutes, lower back, and the core. This makes them an excellent choice for overall lower body development, strength, and stability. Number 2. Functional movement. Squats mimic a natural human movement pattern, making them a functional exercise. The ability to perform a squat is essential for many daily activities and sports. Number 3. Hormonal boost for muscle growth. Barbell squats stimulate the release of growth hormones and testosterone. These hormones play a crucial role in muscle growth and overall body composition. Number 4. Efficient caloric burning. The intensity of barbell squats demands significant energy expenditure, making them effective for burning calories. Incorporating squats into your workout routine support weight management and fat loss goals. Number 5. Bone density. Weight-bearing exercises like barbell squats can contribute to increased bone density. This is particularly important for maintaining bone health and reducing the risk of osteoporosis, especially as you age. Number 6. Strength and power. Barbell squats are a compound movement that allows you to lift a significant amount of weight, promoting strength and power development. This can be especially beneficial for athletes and those looking to increase overall body strength. Number 7. Joint health and flexibility. Contrary to misconceptions, when performed with proper form, barbell squats contribute to joint health. The controlled movement promotes flexibility in the hips, knees, and ankles, reducing the risk of stiffness and injury. Number 8. Metabolic acceleration. Barbell squats elevate metabolic rate, leading to increased calorie burn not only during the exercise but also in the post-workout period. This metabolic boost supports weight management and overall metabolic health. Number 9. Mental resilience and focus. Mastering the technique and handling challenging weights in barbell squats requires mental resilience and focus. This aspect contributes to improved concentration, discipline, and mental toughness. Number 10. Improved posture. Squats require a stable and upright posture. Regular practice can contribute to improved posture and spinal alignment, reducing the risk of back pain and injuries. Number 11. Versatility. Squats can be incorporated into various workout routines, such as strength training, hypertrophy training, or even as part of a high-intensity interval training workout. Number 12. Adaptability. Barbell squats can be adapted to different fitness levels by adjusting the weight used, making them suitable for beginners to advanced lifters. Proper form is crucial to prevent injuries, so start with lighter weights and gradually increase as you gain strength and confidence. How to do barbell squats properly. Position the barbell on a squat rack at chest height. Stand with feet shoulder width apart, toes slightly pointing outward. Place the barbell across the upper back, just below shoulder level. Grab the barbell with an overhand grip, hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Lower your body by bending your hips and knees simultaneously, ensuring your back remains straight. Descend until your thighs are parallel to the ground. Push through your heels to return to the starting position. Keep your core tight throughout the movement. Aim for 3 sets of 8 to 12 repetitions with controlled movements and proper form. Incorporate barbell squats into your daily routine with consistency and proper form to witness transformative changes in both body and mind. Remember, while barbell squats offer numerous benefits, it's essential to perform them with proper form to prevent injuries. If you're new to squatting or have any pre-existing conditions, consider seeking guidance from a fitness professional to ensure you're performing the exercise safely and effectively. If you found this video informative, don't forget to share it with your friends and family, like and subscribe to our channel. Also hit the notification bell for more impactful videos like this. Until next time, stay safe and awesome. Thanks for watching.